Hey everyone, this is Rostic the Weatherman, and I'm here to give you the summer outlook for our entire country. And as always, let's start off with temperatures, shall we? Okay, so where shall we start today? And let's start on the East Coast. So let's compare it to last summer, because last summer was pretty much brutal in the East Coast, especially the Southeast and Mid-Atlantic. So let's start there, actually. Southeast and Mid-Atlantic, we are going to have slightly below average temperatures for the months of June, July, and August, which are the summer months, obviously. Florida is actually supposed to see quite a cooler summer than normal, so 70s and 80s, probably not a lot of mid to upper 90s in Florida this summer. So I guess that's nice. But really, the Southeast is going to be slightly below average. Mid-Atlantic, they'll average slightly above average, especially when you get up into the Northeast. And then extreme northern New England, well above average temperatures are expected for the summer. Now, as we move a little further west into the Mississippi, Ohio, Tennessee, river valleys, and then all the way into the plains, that's where we are going to see the actual heat this summer. This whole entire area, pretty much, the one I just described, is going to see well above average temperatures for the summer. So a lot of 90s and triple-digit heat is going to be expected in the next few months. So that's where the bulk of the summer heat is going to be concentrated. And then once we move over into the West Coast, we are going to have pretty much a normal, maybe slightly above in the Eastern Rockies. But in terms of the far, far West Coast, normal, maybe slightly below normal temperatures, especially in the Pacific Northwest around Seattle and Portland. But once you get down across into the Bay Area and then the LA Basin, pretty much a normal summer in terms of temperatures. So that's pretty much the outlook for temperature-wise. Now, precipitation-wise, pretty much there's an equal chance across the whole entire country of seeing average, slightly above or slightly below average in terms of precipitation for the next 3 months. Really, there's no indications that we're going to see heavy amounts of rain anywhere or really drought conditions anywhere. Now, I do know that the Southeast, especially in Georgia and South Carolina, they've been dealing with extreme drought for the past, it seems endless pretty much. And I know Tropical Storm Beryl just came ashore in Georgia and has moved up into the Carolinas and out at sea. Now, that helps somewhat with the drought, but still it does persist around the Southeast. And then also Texas is another big area where the drought has been very severe. This summer, just pretty much average precipitation, so really not going to put a big dent into the drought. But hey, any rain in Texas and the Southeast will help anyways in the terms of getting rid of some of that deficit and all that stuff. But where maybe you could see slightly above precipitation amounts could be, again, the Pacific Northwest, Seattle, Portland. It just looks like that it's going to be just a little bit rainier and just slightly cooler this summer than the past summer. And again, a lot of this is compared from last summer, because last summer was the hottest summer pretty much in a ton of states, especially for the East and the South Central Plains. So that's pretty much your outlook for the whole entire summer. Again, meteorological June actually starts on the 1st of June. Wait, did I just say June? Meteorological summer, not June. Meteorological summer starts on the 1st of June, and it goes until September 1st, or August 30th, because meteorological fall starts on September 30th. I don't know why, but that's what I learned in weather school. But the actual summer solstice actually starts, again, June 21st. That's the one everyone knows. And then, obviously, that runs until September 21st, and then fall starts after that. So I think it's going to be a pretty good summer here in the U.S. Not as hot as last year for places in the East. Very hot again in the Midwest and the South Central states, and then about average conditions more so in the West Coast. So that's it for your summer outlook. You can check out more of my videos on my channel, Weatherman R. And until next time, keep your eye to the sky.